Hello, and this video I will show with you how to check in Sunwings. So friends, follow me in this video guide and let's get started. First go to Google, search for check in Sunwings. This is the keyword you can see here. Click the first website from here. All you have to do, go to flight check in, and then from here guys, click on check your flight state, or you can choose this one, or you can scroll down, click on check in this option. You have two options here or here, this one. After that, friends, when you click this option, you will see your two options here. Write your booking reference and then write your last name. So we have two options here, booking reference and last name. After that, click find a reservation, this option, and then you can web check successfully. You will see your state from here, and this is my flight state, and this is on my case on flight. All right, you can set your selections, you can add your baggage. So basically just write your booking codes and then write your last name from this official website, and then click check in. You will see your all information. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video.